Nintendo Switch won't charge. Fix it fast. Imagine you are ready to play your favorite game after a long day, but your Switch just won't turn on. It is incredibly frustrating when your gaming time is cut short by a charging glitch. But do not worry. You can fix this issue yourself at home after watching this video. We have verified solutions that work. Briefly, if you face any difficulty, please leave a comment. I will reply within 1 hour. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more tech tips. First, let us try the most common fix. A simple hard reset often clears software glitches that stop the charging process. Locate the power button on the top left. Press and hold it down for at least 15 seconds until the screen goes completely dark. Release the button, then press it once normally. If you see the logo, your system just needed a reboot to start charging again. If that did not work, the problem might be your charger. Yes, the AC adapter itself can sometimes trip a safety circuit. Unplug the adapter from the wall and the console. Wait for 30 seconds. This allows the internal fuse to reset. Plug it back into the wall first, then into your Switch. Check if the green charging icon appears in the top corner. Check the charging port for debris. Dust or lint from your pocket can block the connection. This is a very common issue. Use a can of compressed air or a soft, dry toothbrush. Gently blow out any dust. Do not use metal objects as they can damage the pins. Look closely inside. If you see bent or broken pins, you may need a professional repair. But usually, a quick clean does the trick. Sometimes the issue is not the console or the cable, but the dock itself. Let us test this by bypassing it completely. Take the official AC adapter and plug it directly into the bottom of the Switch. If it charges now, your dock is likely faulty. Are you using a phone charger? Most phone chargers only provide 5 to 10 watts. The Switch requires 15 volts and 39 watts to charge properly. Always use the official Nintendo AC adapter. Cheap third-party cables can actually damage the power chip inside your console. If your battery is completely dead, it might take a long time to respond. This is called deep discharge. Do not panic yet. Leave it plugged in for at least 12 to 24 hours. Sometimes the battery needs a slow trickle charge to wake back up. One last trick. Remove the Joy-Cons and the SD card while charging. This reduces power draw and can help a struggling battery recover. If none of these steps work, you might have a hardware issue like a blown power chip. Check if you are still under warranty with Nintendo before seeking a repair shop. You have got this. Your Switch will be back in action soon. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!